Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.
I always tell my clients, when you have a space that is open like this and light colors, you can bring color into pillows, curtains, rugs. There is ways to make the space more cozy, and the way the design is so simple and elegant that it's so easy to add those touches.
Exactly, and we have modern doors throughout,
Yeah.
even for a pantry, right?
Yes.
So there was nothing spare, nothing wasted. It's
Nothing.
all about being as deliberate and clear as possible. Modern door that goes high, really high, right? More than 8 feet tall doors, which is something you don't see. Typically, doors are 6'8". So it's super amazing. But to make all of this happen, look at those beams that go through.
Yes.
That go through. It's built like a bridge.
Yeah,
So
the
a lot of people talk about, improvements that could be made to a building, but using